The BreezeGuard 2-in-1 air purifier is engineered for large spaces, boasting industrial-grade performance with a dual air intake design that effectively covers areas over 2,500 square feet. Equipped with a 7-layer filtration system, this purifier includes a cold catalyst, activated carbon, HEPA 13 filter, UVC light, and ionizer, ensuring comprehensive protection against allergens and other pollutants. Its smart app control feature allows users to remotely monitor and adjust air quality settings in real time, providing added convenience through compatibility with both iOS and Android systems. This device not only purifies but also humidifies the air, offering 8 fan speeds and operating quietly at 26.5 decibels, making it ideal for undisturbed sleep. The high-efficiency air filtration system significantly improves indoor air quality, providing allergy relief and supporting better respiratory health, which contributes to more restful sleep. Maintenance is straightforward with easy-access filters and app-based replacement reminders, while the durable filters reduce the frequency of changes, saving both time and money in the long run.